Want to revisit a reel you recently watched on Instagram, but can't remember the name or account? Don't worry. Here are 2 quick methods to help you find it again. First, if you haven't closed the Instagram app yet, go back to the Reels tab. Simply swipe down to scroll back through your recent watch session. Instagram keeps a short-term memory of reels you've viewed. As long as you haven't exited the app or let too much time pass, you should be able to find the reel you're looking for this way. It's quick and works well for those moments when you just watched it a few minutes ago. But what if you closed the app or it's been a while? Try this second method. Go to your profile, tap the 3-line menu in the top right, then tap your activity. From there, go to Interactions, then choose Likes. If you hit the like button on the reel earlier, it'll appear in this list. Just tap it and rewatch it instantly. Instagram doesn't give you a full reel watch history yet, but liking the reels you enjoy is the easiest way to keep track of them long term. So next time you find a reel worth rewatching, just double tap to like. If this helped, tap like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.